Welcome to another paper gun showcase thing. This is a gun that I made up. I don't know what I based it off of, but it is a bolt action sniper rifle. The clip's right there. Has iron sights and get that in there. It has iron sights. It's a nice big stock. I'm working on a scope for it at the moment. It's in process. I can hurry and grab it. Just 1 second. Here we go. So that is the scope that I'm working on right now. Figuring out how to attach and detach it without requiring any cutting of paper and tape. This gun took a while to make, so if you would like a tutorial, I may or may not do this one, because this one's a little bit harder to make, but I can manage doing a tutorial on it for you guys. So if you want a tutorial, please subscribe, leave a like, and comment on different kinds of guns you may want me to make for you guys, or to do tutorials of, or try and make. And thanks for watching. See ya.